before anyone says anything, I do not own this music in the background. Here, I do not own this music in the background. I have no idea what this is. Yes, I may have filmed this before, but I have no idea what brand this is. No brand inside the system, or the pad. No clue on the sink either. Yeah. Pathetic.